Hello guys, this is my channel Engineering Index. So today I want to share Winch type class assembly. This is Winch type, already Winch type running. So today I want to share how can class assembly work and Winch type class assembly, how to assemble and disassemble, and how to find out class assembly any problem, then how to rectify that. So this is work on hydraulic system. It is a already I sharing, it is a class assembly and it work by the hydraulic. So this is the front part, and another part is back part, and this part openable and another part is openable. So middle point is a main point and middle point is a class assembly. This is a piston type. So this as a class assembly, we can use any hydraulic, any motor system, no problem. But you can when it will come any problem, this is for hydraulic line, and when it will come any problem, then you will disassemble, after then you will assemble and rectify anything. This front you can use the hydraulic motor. Also you can use this this area is hydraulic line. Also another is another shaft you can use. So today I want to disassemble firstly, and when you can disassemble firstly, you can take this bench vice, and after bench vice you can tighten. After then you lose all bolt. You can see the video. After then you will get what we will do. So after complete your all opening the bolt, then you can try to remove this part. Already we are trying to remove, but if we try, you can tight your hand, no problem. You can try again and again. After then you will remove this part. Already I removed this part, and you can see the main part. This is the bearing, and also there is a one shark clip, no problem. When it is you need firstly all bolt is open, because there is another one part, and also you can see bearing. So you need to first open to circlip. There is a one circlip for catching to bearing. So when you try to open this circlip, you can take it very seriously, because circlip is metal part, and when you try to open this, that time you will broken, but very seriously you can take. So after then we try to open, but initially cannot open because they are already tightened that area, and we can use another tools by screwdriver or anything. Also this equipment, already you can show the equipment. And also when you try to open, you can use another one to help you. Already open, you can see already open. After then you can try to fixing that you better for open the all is middle piston system. Already we can losing the all, and also you can use a flat screwdriver to open that area. Also we can open all that area for better losing. There is a part by part. So after already we can open. So you can see the shaft, also the plate, teeth and plate. So we can use that area. It is better or not better, it is good or not, we can rectify. We can share. And also we can use one hydraulic line to the point. This point used to pressure this piston, and piston up and down. You can see if hydraulic leakage that area, then there is a seal already broken. That is the main reason. So you can see already piston is working up and down. You can see already piston up and down, right? Already piston up and down. Also guys, you will touch in my channel, you will get lot of engineering video, but this is the main reason. You can see already hydraulic is already rolling to outside, already hydraulic coming, so that's why there is a seal already broken. So this is the process of rectification that system. So thank you for with me. You will get a new